Welcome to the pro tier. This is where we go from theory to hands-on, and I mean truly hands-on. In this lab, you're going to work through a simulated incident response scenario in a cloud sandbox environment. Here's the scenario. You're a SOC analyst, and your SIEM just fired a critical alert. A user account that normally accesses the network from Atlanta has logged in from an IP address in Eastern Europe. Within minutes of that login, the account started accessing a file share it had never touched before and downloading large files. Your job is to investigate, contain, and document the incident. You'll work through the 6 phases of incident response: preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. I'll walk you through each step, but you'll be making the decisions. What do you isolate first? Who do you escalate to? What evidence do you preserve? This lab uses a simulated cloud environment with preloaded log data, a fake Active Directory environment, and a sandbox network you can safely practice isolation techniques in. Nothing you do here affects a real system, but the skills transfer directly to a real SOC. By the end, you'll have investigated a full incident from alert to post-incident report. The exact workflow you'll do in a real security operations center. Let's get started.